Alright, so this System 7 board set, MPU and driver board, this came in, the head had been cross-connected as far as the wiring there, so that actually blew up one of these 74LS 367s. Somebody had actually done some prior rework here. Looks like they replaced both of the 2114s and possibly the PIAs up here. But what had happened whenever that was cross-connected is it blew up the 7404 here and also fried the 74LS 367, and then also the chip select here, which is 7400 for the chip select for the 2114. RAM was also shot. Thankfully all the ROMs survived, and I did install NVRAM here onto the board, and I'll go ahead and get a blinking LED attached here to the board as well before I send this out. But we went ahead and replaced all the 0.156 headers there, so those are all square pin headers now, as well as replaced all the sockets and also the crystal there. And then the driver board is one of mine that I had rehabbed, so all new 0.156 headers, new filter capacitor, and this is already set up for a System 7. So let's go ahead and get this thing booted up. And here's the high score to date and last game played. You got the lamp matrix dancing here, and the only coil that is on is the coin lockout. And get my coin doors buttons attached. Scroll through the displays here. Those are all correct. And into the sound test for the sound outputs from the MPU. So all 7 of those are working correctly. And into the lamp test. And over into the solenoid test. Special solenoids here. These are all being computer driven and are also switch controlled. So these are all the pop bumpers and slingshots, all that great stuff there. And we'll wait for this to go back through and pulse solenoid 16, which is the coin lockout. And that is all working correctly. And into the last test, which is going to be switch test. Well, right there, we've already got an issue. Oh, no we don't. What I'm in, or what I'm doing, is I'm off by a pin. I was going to say, because I tested this thing prior to, and I need to, or 46, I believe, let's see, for Black Knight, the last switch actually is 46. So that is all these switches there. And let's see, I don't think let's test the rest of the rows. Row 7, row 8. Those are all working correctly. And I've already got this thing set up to free play, which is adjustment 18, which is shown there. Just set that to 0, which is the max credits allowed there on the board or on the game. And so everything is 100% ready to go. Thank you so much.